welcome to class. In this video, I've got you a beautiful practice for mobility and strength. We're going to use some asana techniques that's going to help to mobilize your joints and to strengthen your muscles. And moving on, we've got a new member into my classes. Meet Hershey. He's a 40-day-old chocolate lab. He's so cute and adorable, and I'm super excited to have him by my side for all my practices. I really hope that you enjoy his presence. Let's begin. Let's begin the practice by stretching the arms to the sides, extending over your head, left and right. Lengthening your arms to stretch and mobilize the shoulders. Back to center to big sweeps using arms. Down and up, bending your knees. Inhale to up. Exhale to down. Getting nice and big with this. Legs are open more wide to inhale, big sweep, arms overhead. Exhale, push yourself forward. Go get hold of the big toes on the forward folds for the wide leg stance. And from there, we're going to move to Skandasana, bending the right knee, extending the left leg, and to shake off on ankle rotations for the left side. Take it down to exhale, switch Skandasana to left, extending for the right leg to ankle rotations. Breathe. To center, adjust yourself into Malasana or the golden pose. Hands down, let's mobilize to movement side to side. Now let's mobilize shoulders and upper body at the same time with the legs moving in to open chest and heart for your arms here, left to right. And from here, let's settle into the Malasana position. We're just going to release the hands and find little pulses down for your hips, for your groin, deeper on the shakes. From Malasana squat, we're going to get hold of the big toes using your index and your thumb to reach up to Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale to Malasana. Exhale. Inhale. If you feel tight on your hamstrings, feel free to soft bend your knees. Ragdoll sways, bend your elbows, get hold of it. To sway your body side to side. Just fall loose, hang heavy. Roll yourself back to center, stacking each vertebrae at a time. Let's move on to squats. Legs are to hip distance apart. Deep down squat to calf raise up. Down as much as you can. Reaching your heels up to stand. Swing your arms in conjunction to your legs. Beautiful functional mobility. It's going to help to strengthen your joints, to create more strength and flexibility for your muscles. From the squat tips, we're going to go in for a twisted chair. Palms together, finding squat to bring your left elbow to meet your right knee. Looking up to the right shoulder. Hold it here. Switch to the other side. Getting deep on the squat and finding your breath in this space. And release. I've got you a nice flow from here. Let's take lead on the right side. Pivoting your right leg to face the right. The toes of the left leg facing straight. Square your hips, open your arms out, and turn to look at your right side. Inhale breath. From your exhale, placing your right palm down behind the right foot. To inhale, cartwheel your hand to take it over your head for a reverse. Exhale to down. Inhale, up. Throughout the pose, keep the right knee bent. Now hold it to the gate. Now let's find triangle pose, Trikonasana. Placing your right hand on top of the right foot, extending the left to look into your left arm. From here, we're going to twist the body to bring the reverse triangle here. Switching arms into triangle. Inhale to open. Exhale to reverse. Finding stability and balance. And all the way straight down to Anjaneyasana, towards the right side. Dropping the left knee down to the ground. Shifting your body weight to look straight. As we take a breath here. Now inhale, full leap to find Warrior One, Virabhadrasana 1. Bending both your knees, giving in for mobility to cactus arms. Exhale, tip down. Inhale, reach up. Try to brace for your core here. Working in for core strength. Beautiful work for the legs. And to release. Fabulous. I really hope that you enjoyed. Let's take lead to the left side this time. Virabhadrasana 2 towards the left. Open chest and heart to face the left side. Exhale, cartwheel, gate pose, bending deep into the left leg. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, down, extend the arm to stretch. Inhale to reach to reverse. Involves a lot of balance, stability, strength, and all of this comes with practice. To hold it down. And switching transition to triangle pose. Open that right shoulder, open chest face, squared hips. Exhale, twist. Revolve the triangle. Inhale, triangle. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Inhale. 2. Exhale. And getting down into Anjaneyasana, dropping the right knee down to the ground, shifting your body weight as we chin up to sky. Hold and breathe. Root yourself up into Virabhadrasana 1. Spine goes straight, arms go extended over your head. Shimmy yourself. And let's find cactus arms to tipping the knee down to the ground. Exhale down. Inhale, reach. Exhale. Inhale. And back to center. Release the flow. And with that, let's continue some mobility on the mat as we come down to a lie down position. The knees are bent, the legs are separated to hip distance apart. I want you to lift your heels from here, flexion on the feet. Lift your hips up high, staying on a pelvic glute bridge. Now stay controlled and on the top to march your feet, left and right. Don't dip your hips, stay up high. Exhale when you bring the knee inside of you. Exhale. Exhale. Engage your core and stay controlled. Let's keep going. 3 more. And release. Good back. From here, you're going to lift your legs up high. You can hold your legs if you're tight and give in ankle rotations for mobility of ankles. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. And open the legs. Feel the stretch on your inner thigh, the groin. Take a deep breath. And slowly release back your legs to Baddha Konasana or the butterfly pose. Feet together, knees apart. And I like to shake my hips here, going side to side to massage the lower back. A spinal stretch to end our practice. Taking one leg over to the other, twist your spine, and as we hold, finding that beautiful stretch on your spine. Take it to the other side. Over to twist and pivot for hip. Breathe. And with that, we come to the very end of this beautiful, quick mobility and strength practice. Let's bow down to the mat for practice today, and I really hope that you enjoyed. Thank you so much for showing up on your mat today. Until next time, namaste.